Hi everyone, I am excited to share my responsive and animated portfolio website with you today. As a passionate Python programmer and front-end developer, I have put a lot of effort into showcasing my skills and projects. On my website, you will find an About Me section where I detail my experience in Python, HTML, CSS, and TypeScript. Currently, I am expanding my knowledge in data engineering and AI through intensive training programs. In the service section, I highlight my capabilities in web development, including responsive design, interactive interfaces, and complex problem solving with Python. My website is fully responsive and animated for an engaging user experience on all devices. My skills section features both my technical and professional skills, from coding in various languages to problem solving and creativity. I have also included a project section to demonstrate some of my latest work, such as a responsive portfolio site, an Amazon clone and ETL project with Python, and a data analyst project on Netflix movies. Each project showcases different aspects of my skill set and my dedication to continuous learning. Finally, if you are interested in collaborating or have any opportunities, feel free to reach out to me through the contact information provided on my site, and you may also connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you all.